5 websites even FBI didn't know about. But if you watch this video until the end, you will learn how to use them before everybody else, how to make money with them, lots of them, starting with 300, 500 bucks per day, and all that before anything changes regarding the status of these websites. So you need to act fast. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. So the first website we're going to be reviewing is called OctoBrowser. This is completely different than Chrome, Brave, Edge, or whatever else you're using. And why do we need that? In your effort to make money online, you might face several issues. Blocked accounts, limitations when you try to run ads, because different platforms like Facebook and Google might flag you or your clients. So no matter what you want to explore, like affiliate marketing, crypto trading, normal trading, running ads, running an e-commerce store or several e-commerce stores or dropshipping businesses, you will face different issues. So what OctoBrowser does, it makes you undetectable towards websites. So a normal browser, when you enter the environment, knows who you are. So Facebook and Google are like, "Hey, Konstantinos, welcome. Where have you been?" Because they know who you are, what you do, where you're browsing, your entire activity, and many times they might ban your accounts for no reason. So as you see here, this is for many different usages: e-commerce, affiliate marketing, for digital agencies running different accounts for different kind of clients. So all you gotta do, in order to be able to create several profiles, you need to sign up right here, download OctoBrowser and install it for the system that you're using. I will use Windows. So once you install OctoBrowser on your PC or laptop, you have this dashboard right here, and you see here different kind of profiles that I have created before to access TikTok or to access Shopify, and you can generate different profiles by going right here, describe it briefly, like this for example is my affiliate accounts. You can select a proxy if you want to hide also your IP, and by clicking here, create a profile, you have your brand new profile that you just created for the usage that you want to have. All you gotta do is click play right here, and now you can access your browser completely undetectable. So I can go, for example, to Impact and create one or multiple accounts to start creating affiliate links that I can use for different activities. So every single time that OctoBrowser is on, you can see it right here. After you click the play button, you can access the platform that you want completely undetectable, like with TikTok, for example. Once I'm done, all I gotta do is stop right here and go back to your normal activity. So you can check the solutions, how many different utilities you can have with this browser for affiliate marketing, by managing hundreds of accounts, for e-commerce, by using multiple accounts for brands and users, for web scraping and collecting data from the web, and so many other usages, whether you are an agency, a corporation, or a single person that wants to explore the online entrepreneurship environment. The next website you need to pay attention to is called Pareto AI, and it's like AI wants to pay you to train itself. Remember, AI is all about data, right? So Pareto, that works with the world's biggest companies, is looking for people like you to train AI. As you see right here, you can apply on the top right to train AI. And you need to go through a specific process, which is to fill the interest survey so that the system sees if you're eligible to participate, and then you can start earning and get paid twice per month through PayPal or Wise, even for the training that you will go through, so you can be part of the trainers of AI. So all you gotta do is hit apply to train AI, submit this form, which takes about 7 minutes. You will need to upload also your resume, your personal details, where you're coming from, your background. Obviously, you need to have some kind of qualifications, some kind of working experience. And as you see right here, payments are being processed every single week through PayPal and Wise, as we said before. You will be trained by the platform in order to be able to participate in the surveys, and depending on the different projects of research that are taking place through Pareto, you will be called to participate in a few of them. You can do that from every place of the world, and all you need is a solid Wi-Fi and a PC or laptop that you can use with a solid connection. So give it a try and see if you're eligible to participate. Do you remember these teenagers making tons of money, flexing their watches and their cars by just running different dropshipping stores? Well, most of them were scammers, but some of them made a ton of money, but with too much work. Building a dropshipping business was not a joke. It's not easy to build a store, find the products, run the ads, create content about it. It's not easy. But AI is now making people rich, helping them make, as a starting point, $300, $500 per day by doing all the work for them. So people are using Storebuilt AI to create an online store for free in 5 minutes. A store like the ones that you see right here, like this tech e-commerce store that is a dropshipping business and has been created by AI, or this one, the pet store that you see right here with worldwide shipping and trending products, this one with home-related products, or this one, which is called Style Redefined. Everything was created with Build Store that makes the process seamless. All you gotta do is select the niche, the template, choose your colors, your banners, and Storebuilt will generate a Shopify store for you, find for you winning products that are trending right now, generate videos for you so you can promote them on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and all you gotta do is start adding them in your store and start getting orders that are being fulfilled by the suppliers that Zendrop finds for you. So the entire process is completely automated with the minimum possible effort, so somebody would be a fool not to try this out. Check it out from the link in the description. The fourth website that I have for you is called Trymata. This is completely legit. It's like user testing, but a bit more exclusive. And if you click on the Get Paid to Test, you will be able to submit your application to become a Trymata tester and earn $10 to $30 per test that approximately take from 15 to 30 minutes in order to test websites, different apps, and become a preliminary tester for new things coming out. Websites, applications, different tech companies are using websites like that every single day because they want to try stuff before they launch them. So paying people to test them in a testing group is much cheaper for them than making mistakes that would cost them millions later. So that's a great opportunity for you to see if you're eligible, submit an application, and start testing for some great earnings as a side hustle. And last but not least, probably the number one promotional tool for big websites, big tech companies, applications, games, you name it, is influencer marketing. And with tools like Heepsy, you can become a very insightful agency yourself. There is a free plan that you can start and you can get great insights and you can identify millions of influencers for every single niche and group them together, analyze their authenticity, their engagement, their reach, find them and communicate to them directly so you can start selling that as a service to different brands. Most of the brands that want to get advertised are reaching out to agencies that charge tens of thousands for this service. So you can create your own services, even on Fiverr or Upwork, or just create a single website by yourself with your services and group different services and create different tiers of offerings. Like I will find you the best 20 beauty influencers for your next campaign, right? And charge $2,000 for that. Or start knocking doors. Find a new product that just launched, for example, in the beauty industry. DM them and tell them, I will create for you a campaign, find for you 30 legit influencers, I will reach out to them, I will run the campaign, I will come up with ideas with ChatGPT, and I will also give you the report after we run the campaign, and all that with Heepsy. So be insightful about that. As we said before, tools like this one become assets if you know how to use them. And through them, you can make some money by just knocking doors and offering your services after you bundle different packages directly to the people that are looking for solutions like the one that you can provide. That's how you make money even if you don't have any experience at all. It's always a numbers game. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite website. What is the side hustle that you are trying to build right now so I can give you some feedback in the comment section. Watch this video for some extra income ideas, and until next time, simply hustle.